Tired of losing out on amazing eBay deals because you're constantly outbid at the last second? Let's unlock eBay's automatic bidding feature so you can snag those must-have items without gluing yourself to your screen 24/7. First, find the item you're interested in bidding on. See that empty bid box? That's where the magic starts. Instead of typing in the current bid, enter the maximum amount you're willing to pay for this item. This is the highest you're comfortable spending. eBay will then automatically bid on your behalf, only raising your bid enough to stay in the lead, and only up to your specified maximum, no higher. Click the review bid button. A confirmation page pops up. Double check your maximum bid. Why euro? This is crucial. If it looks good, confirm the bid. eBay will now automatically increase your bid whenever someone outbids you, until it reaches your maximum limit, taking away the stress of constantly checking, saving you time, and improving your chances of winning that dream find.